I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good. Hey, baby. Hi. What? You wanna come up here? Come here. Come here, boy. Okay, let me start this video. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas 2021. This year went by so fast. It felt like we just had Halloween last week. And we just had Thanksgiving a couple days ago. That's crazy. I'm very excited. I'm gonna be vlogging every day all the way up to Christmas, but I am not gonna be posting Christmas related videos every day, like here and there, but I'm gonna be posting a little hair tutorial or hair product reviews, vlogs, random vlogs, and etc. Today I am going to be reviewing this hair for you. I purchased a wig. Move! Can't move. But I already tried on a wig. I'm gonna just do a video of me putting on a wig and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm probably just gonna clean up the room. Go. Get up. Go. Get up. Get up. Good. Good. Go. Get up the bed. Get up the bed. Come on. Go. Go. Cool, go. Get out. So, okay y'all, so I just got done cleaning this part. This is just like the lotion, body washes, perfume. I need to get some more perfume. My little flower. And right here, I just put my scrunchies in here. I'm missing like a whole bunch of my scrunchies. And in here is like makeup and stuff. My little candle.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fake.
Okay guys, ooh, the lightning is okay. So I just got out the shower and now I'm just gonna show y'all this wig real quick. So this is the hair, y'all. This is the hair. Look at the hair, like. So this is a 20-inch But this hair is so bomb. You're gonna see me wearing this every day. Cause I'm trying to just leave my hair alone, let it grow out, and I just don't feel like dealing with my hair anymore. So this is perfect.
Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, I house from $100 for the cheapest ring on the nigga, bring us a bitch. I done flew without Spain to be in my domain, automata bitch. Dropped $3 on the ring, cause it's been a little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same fence. Granted, she was standing right there while I keep the play on the brick. I made the
I'm just gonna wet the hair.
I'd have been down bad in them shits, had to ride for that stick. Who gotta get pills and gave that dust, Pluto finish on the dick. Too many convicts, they roll me to play in this shit. Crowd about nonsense, get old summer spreading this bitch. They had the counter like lighting it up, nigga, anybody get it. I'm on a BJ lighting it up, backwood full of sticky. I'm trying to throw that Drake on London, and it's extended. They gotta stretch a nigga out, we gon' die for this shit. Yeah, I ride for my...
Okay guys, so I just got done with my hair and everything, and now I'm just gonna wait for Kilia to get back home. They're bringing back some food, so we probably just gonna chill, eat some food, and say happy birthday to her. And yeah. Hi! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Hi! Why are you growling at me? What? Hi! 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 It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Baba. It's okay. It's okay. Hi! Yeah, I don't know why she does this. She just started doing it. Hi! Kilia, sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Y'all, Kilia is being aggressive right now. Yes, I'm talking to you. Here, Coco. Who's here? Who here again? Where Kilia? Where Kilia? Look, why you gotta look up and down at me like that? It's the birthday girl. Bad girl. Bad girl gone bad.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kilia Drake back with another video. As you see, I got my drippy.
Okay.
Got my new Air Force booty hose.
Okay.
And then we got the chain, which is fake. Hashtag carrot gold. Earrings, they're real.
Period.
Braces, they cost $1,500, $1,500. Oh my god, thanks.
Are you fogged up my camera? Okay, but look at the eyes.
Yeah, I got them from ICW.
Look at the hair. Okay. Okay.
Kayla did this
today.
It was the most, my t-shirt like kind of bought me a Popeye sandwich.
Kind of bought you. What do you mean?
Cause he ordered it and like they forgot it, and so I only got fries. I messed up the order.
They forgot. Oh wow.
Yeah, and like I didn't get it. It was just like what the. Like I was mad. Like I wanted my Popeye chicken sandwich. You know, like. Anyways, I felt like I was being ignored by a lot of people today.
Oh wow, it's okay. You're loved here.
You know who I'm talking about. I'm kidding. We're not gonna call out him. I mean, her. I mean,
we know
the person. But
we know some boy. Okay, but like.
Hey! Wait a minute. Is this going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I had the drip. Like I was really drippy. You see that? Like I was dripping like with the jacket and everything.
Oh, you had two jackets?
No, Dante gave me his jacket today. He threw it at my head.
Oh dang.
He was like.
You look really cute though, like the outfit. Did you take any pictures?
I wanted someone to take pictures of me.
No, because
no one wanted to take pictures. Don't ask me to take pictures of you on your birthday because you won't go to hit. I mean, you want to take pictures of me?
yeah, sure. It's not too late. Take pictures.
Thank you. Mascara. I wear mascara because I'm okay. I want to see my cake. didn't know you got the cake. Where's my cake? That's a long cake. What?
Look at it.
Never mind.
With the cake.
Why did it take so long?
With the cake.
Number 10. Yeah.
I
87 people texted me happy birthday. They're like,
I'm kidding. I have no friends.
I'm kidding. You want to know who said happy birthday to me?
Happy birthday.
Phil, Kayla, Drake, Caleb did, which is surprising.
Really?
But yeah, Heaven did.
You're like, happy birthday.
Drake did. Oh my God, Drake said happy birthday to me.
The fake Drake?
No, the real Drake.
Yeah, right.
Dylan said happy birthday to me. To be a lover boy.
Drippy.
I used to be a lover boy.
Hey, do the thing.
I used to be a lover boy. That hope brought me to a savage. Shoot me home like a lucky savage. Oh my God.
Happy birthday to you.
Finally 16, how's it feel? How does it feel?
It feels okay.
Those contact lenses, you just got back somewhere because you still got the mask on. Where were you? I called you, I was lonely. This isn't Dylan.
What?
Huh?
I was getting food.
Ooh, I can see them links looking mighty splendid.
Okay, so we're gonna do a couple of TikTok videos because we're bored.
What's that? Where's my TikTok? Tick. Ticky Nicky.
TikTok.
Nicky, Ricky, Dicky, and Dog. What are we doing? Oh. What is it called?
Flashing lights. It's only up close, you see?
Yeah.
Why you go close?
Go. It's supposed to be like a TV.
People be slacking, I'm never lacking. I'm on the quest and I'm not talking dragon. No, I'm not toothless. Got in the cart and she gave me her tulips. Asked what she smelled like, I'm telling her tulips. Oh, but she only took half. People be slacking, I'm never lacking. I'm on the quest and I'm not talking dragon. No, I'm not toothless. Got in the cart and she gave me her lacking. I'm on the quest and I'm not talking dragon. No, I'm not toothless. Got in the cart and she gave me her